ವಚವೆನ್ನ ಹರಣಕ್ಕೆ ತೋಡಿಸೋ. Please give me that Karuna Kavacha. Please put the armor of Karuna on me, such that I'll be protected. ಕರುಣ ಕವಚವೆನ್ನ ಹರಣಕ್ಕೆ ತೋಡಿಸೋ, ಚರಣ ಸೇವೆಯನಗೆ ಕೊಡಿಸೋ. Please give me your charana seva. And then he says, ಚರಣ ಸೇವೆಯನಗೆ ಕೊಡಿಸೋ, ಅಭಯ ಕರಪುಷ್ಪವಿನ್ನಯ ಶಿರದಳಿ ಮುಡಿಸೋ. And this abhaya karapushpa enna shiradali mudiso. Please, the flower of abhaya, that flower called abhaya, please put that in my head and let that permanently be there. So meaning that, please bless me with abhaya.
With your lotus hands.
So like Krishna's hand is called abhaya hasta, no? When he gives ashirvad, he gives abhaya. Prabhupada was abhaya charana aravinda. It's so hard, because at least for myself I can say I haven't come to that as yet. I still feel fearful. But then when we come to that level where we are really fearless, oh wow, it will be so fantastic, no? All of us really fearless. Ah, Krishna is there, Krishna is there. Like when all the children were entering Aghasura, Radha Govind Maharaj explains how some of them were thinking, I don't think this is a cave. It looks like a serpent. Ah, it's okay, Krishna is there. He kills all the demons. If it is a snake or a demon, Krishna will kill. My God, it's a very high level. I feel like one more thing. Sorry, I'm taking just one more minute. Radha Govind Maharaj was asked by someone, even after being in Krishna consciousness for so many years, reading, eating prasadam, taking part in festivals and getting initiated and all that, I feel that I've still remained where I was. Maharaj, so what should I do? So for that, Maharaj said, एक हिंदी में एक कहावत है, 12 बरस रहे साधुओं की टोली, तब आया समझ में एक बोली. Meaning that for 12 years, this person has been in the association of this sadhus, and in 12 years he learnt only one word. So, but at least we are on the path. So somewhere we will become, at least I can, maybe there are some very fearless people here. If there are, my humble obeisances to all of them. Please put your abhaya hasta on my head, such that I also become abhaya. But then it's very hard. Talking is easy, but really going through that is really very hard. I'm experiencing it now. But then it gives lot of opportunities. Krishna, please hold me. Please, Krishna, take care of me. I'm not able to handle this situation. It's very good like that. This thing cut off, that one cut off, cut off, cut off. Whatever you are attached to, cut off, cut off, cut off. What else is remaining? Okay, your Abhaya Charana Aravinda is there. Thank you. I'm blabbering. Hare Krishna.
When the doctor said there is no hope, you can just pray. And honestly, prayer was the last thing in my mind. I'm holding my beads, I'm trying to chant, and I couldn't chant. Not even one single mantra could I chant. I was just thinking, how will I live alone? Do I have to do this alone? What will happen to me? What happens to my kids? And just stupid as silly as things like, I don't know how to pay the bills. How will I pay the bills now? How will I do this? The fear was so intense, and Guru Maharaj is telling me he'll pull through. Prabhu is telling me he'll pull through. But I could not chant at that point in time, and I was wondering, what's the point? 8 years I've been chanting, and I can't remember the Mahamantra, I couldn't remember the Ugram Veeram, I couldn't remember anything except Guru Maharaj. That's all I remembered. And Maharaj is saying, you chant. I'm telling him, Maharaj, I can't chant. All I'm thinking about is you. So he just gave up ultimately. Said, okay, that's all right. Give it to, hand the phone over to Venkat Madhav. I'm telling, I mean, how useless can one person be? He's asking me to chant and I'm not able to chant. It's very difficult. It's very difficult. From that day onwards, I've been trying to put my heart and soul into whatever little chanting I do. But I don't know if, again, yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Ask Prabhupada, what Srila Prabhupada, I can't think of Krishna at time of death, but if I think of you, will that be alright? And Prabhupada says non-different. Think of spiritual master, is non-different think of Krishna. Because he is thinking of Krishna, you see. If you think of someone who's not thinking of Krishna, then that's the problem, that's Maya. But if you think of someone who is thinking of Krishna, then that is Krishna consciousness. So you have done the right thing.
I was just telling you, my bhakti is not so pure. I cannot imagine Krishna, but I can see you. My senses are, and my understanding is so gross that I have to see something in person. And I can only see you, your feet. That is all I can think of at the moment. But I guess Guru Maharaj thought she's just hopeless.
I remember what you said.
No, but saying spiritual master is non-different from saying Krishna in this situation, because he is Krishna conscious, you see. It's not us anymore. It's not about us, it's about Guru. He is Krishna conscious. Therefore you have done the right thing.
I remember what you said. That time you were so shaken. I don't think you remember, but you told me and I remember. You said that Guru Maharaj said, I am a sannyasi, but still I'm saying that you imagine that I'm putting my hand on your head. So he's put his Abhay Hasta on your head and make you support Dada in all this and pulled you through. Yeah. And yesterday, who was it? Janardhan Prabhu. And Mataji, Kala Mataji was telling that he went to Guruvayur, and it's very rare to get long time darshan of Lord Guruvayurappa. It's just like Tirupati, they'll push you. And he stood there for so long, seeing the whole morning worship. And he said, I don't usually pray for anyone. And I started praying for Shubha Krishna Prabhu. I mean, he is just humbly saying that that the whole family is so humble. So, my God, so wonderful. Yeah, I'm just prattling on.
I think this whole incident has brought a lot of devotees together and given us all a lot of realizations. So, and I think that's really Krishna. Yeah.
He wrote it to me. Never underestimate the power of Vaishnava.
That's true. Very fortunate. So, very thankful to our pujaris, to serving Radha Gopinath. We're getting such nice darshan every day. Nice Mahaprasad, nice Kirtan. Thank you. And the Govardhan Puja is very nice decoration, Mataji. Beautiful, whole teamwork was worked very, very hard for so many weeks. Yeah, the class was very good. Wonderful class. And nice Kirtan. Kirtan was good. Everything was nice. Prasadam was very tasty. It was, yeah, that's right. Prasadam was out of the world. It's very nice. This is all cooked by Sankirtan Narottam and Anandmay Gopinath and all. It's very special Prasadam. A very nice festival, actually.
Just
very nice.
one thing more can I say. On last Sunday, I was very tired in the evening and I was sitting in the car. And then I saw Srivas Nitai Prabhu. He kept going up and down and up and down. And his car was parked near that Kathmandu, that Nepali shop. And I was thinking, what is he doing? Our car was quite far. Then I realized it was all the decoration things. I think more than 10 times he went up and down. Then I realized, oh my God, it's all the decoration. Once we go in there and when we see the decoration, we feel, it's so nice. But how much work has gone through behind all that? And Mataji, she'll invite devotees home to help her with the decoration. She'll cook for them, feed them,